And the third one, or the letter C, is you need to showcase your unique selling proposition. Kaya ito yung importante na parte ng business model canvas or yung kay Josiah Go na business model map. Yun yung nasa gitna. Ito yung ine-emphasize ko sa lahat ng mga mentees ko and mga coaching clients ko na ito yun. How are you different? What is your USP? What is your unique selling proposition? What's so different about you? Dahil kung wala ito, there is nothing really to talk about. Let's say sasabihin mo, quality kami, lahat naman ng tao ay nagsasabing quality. Meron bang taong hindi nagsasabi na quality sila? So, your marketing efforts will be just a waste of money if you say your quality. Ang kailangan talaga is kapag nag-marketing tayo, it is based on how different you are. That is your USP. So, marketing efforts will have to lead people, will have to tell people about who you are and how you are different. And yan ding USP mo, ay ang gagamitin natin para ma-lead yung iyong mga tao, yung employees, for them to know how different you are so that they can be proud of you and so that they will know what direction or where your company is going. Ganun ka-importante because when you highlight what sets your business apart from your competitors, iba kami dahil ganito, ganito, ganito. Then you are now able to tell your creditors that, hey, because we are different, then we will have higher returns. Mas kikita kami dahil kakaiba kami. We are making now our business not only attractive to our customers but also attractive to our potential investors.